All right, guys, today we're gonna make one of my favorite pastas, Spaghetti Aglio Olio. This is the pasta your mom would make for you when you came home late when she was trying to investigate your level of sobriety. This dish is so easy, it cooks in less time than it takes to boil the pasta. So we'll start with the pasta boiling, which is about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on which pasta you use. Pasta in the water, salt added to the water as well. Don't ever break the pasta. Then we break your face. In the meanwhile, we are going to smash and peel some garlic. I didn't realize it at the time, but my mom was often trying to check in on my sobriety level when I would come home after 10, 11, 12. But I did notice after a while that this dish always came with a few investigative sniffs of the breath. Of course, once you've eaten this pasta, there's no hope for your breath. Basically, it's as much garlic as you can tolerate. There's no rule to this. I do like for my garlic to be sliced evenly like this, so I try to use a mandolin wherever I can. There's also a little advantage to having garlic all cut evenly, and that is it will brown evenly, and so you won't have burnt garlic along with undercooked or uncooked garlic. All right, so this is about 5 healthy cloves of garlic. I'm gonna put the garlic in cold with the oil. Some people like to put the garlic in hot oil. Some people start it in cold oil like I just did. Some people think putting garlic in a cold pan is sacrilege, but it's not. Now, every pepperoncino flake, every crushed red pepper flake is a different level of spiciness. So start with a small amount, taste it if you can. This is moderately spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. And by the way, this is basically done. Now with many pastas, you're counting on this pasta water. Now, you want that starch, you want it to stick to the pasta. You want all that water to come in with you as you finish this dish. This is gonna be part of the dish. We're gonna add parsley. We're gonna toss, toss, toss. We're gonna allow the pasta to absorb the broth. You can see that the water is emulsifying with the olive oil and becoming a nice flavored broth. This is another one of those deceptively simple pasta dishes that you just want to keep adding things to because you can't believe this is enough, and it shouldn't taste good because there's not enough tomato and cheese and olives and who knows what else you can put in there. Just keep it simple. Let's finish it with a little more olive oil. Get it nice and glazed. I can't stress how important this part is. I know you probably think this is just chefs showing off, but this is literally how pasta dishes are finished. And now we're gonna plate. And this is exactly what it should look like. It's glistening, and you can see how easy and inexpensive it is to throw this together, which is, also important. Oh, so good. Spaghetti Aglio Olio, which is the late night sobriety test dish. It's the kind of thing you want to make when you get home at 2 in the morning. You've been out with your friends, you've already had dinner, you maybe have gone out dancing, you maybe drunk a little too much. This is the dish to settle the stomach before you go to bed.